gonna do a casual bow, but it's a bow extra. It's not just tie it with 2 bunny ears. So you can do this and talk about making dinner, kids, how was your day? Blah, 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 blah. And then we're gonna take 1 piece of wire, which I thought I had cut, but I think it disappeared, because craft wire is your best friend during the holidays. Whether you want to, you guys know about this?
It really is.
Okay, so if you want to, like, if your Christmas tree has a hole in it, you can wire it up to the next one with this.
That's right.
Really?
So it looks just right. You guys see what I'm doing here? I'm just gathering all these loops at the bottom, just as sloppy as can be, with a little bit of wire, okay? And then you basically just open it up like a little flower. This is a sculptural, right? And tell.
Anybody can do that.
Do you see this? This is so quick and easy. Yeah, and you look so professional. So all those bows that you've cut off the bottom of your tree, all the junky foliage, wire those up too. Like I said, craft wire's your buddy. And you're gonna put this little
And it's a
right
wreath for the chair.
Yeah, but wait. It becomes a little name place card for your table. You hang it with a little command hook off the back of the chair, and you write their name on an ornament. They take it away, and you can have all this.
I love that. That's a transform all Christmas.
I know.
Wire.
All right. There you go.
Wire.
This is what I did at the White House. This is from old Obama White House. This was. I had to prep this. And we use this magic malted salt all over the place, around the base of Christmas trees, along the tablescapes.
She decorated several White Houses for Christmas.
It's for real. Amazing. So we put this in your vessel or your jar. And then go, if you have kids, go in and harvest from their toy bins, because they have all these little guys that they haven't played with in years, and they become amazing little topiary-like scenes that you can. I mean, how easy is that?
It's really cool. That's really cool. Yeah, I love it.
So that's one way.
Genevieve, I love snow globes, and that is
Do you want to play
snow
with it?
globes for your table. It's beautiful.
It's real, thank you.
You are brilliant.
You could
You're
also
all brilliant and beautiful. I love you all.
It's fun, right?
It's really fun.
I get a little aggressive with my salt, and I'll disregard the jar altogether and pile it down the runner
Wow.
and set up a whole whirl. And it's just
That's awesome. Make it look like a snowstorm.